Key point 4. The key to success lies in specializing your knowledge. We falsely think that knowledge is power. But what use is there in clogging up your brain with random information that will never be fruitful? Indeed, it's better to specialize your knowledge, focusing on the areas that will come in handy and inform your future actions and plans. There are two types of knowledge, and both are powerful. One is general, and one is specialized. Specialized information will help you take giant leaps forward in your particular niche. When filled with too much information, your brain might feel overwhelmed, exhausted, and at times stressed. Your attention can become scattered and chaotic, influencing your performance and overall skills. By assisting your brain, choosing a niche, and studying it as meticulously as possible, you will give your journey a destination towards where you will put the best of your efforts. Sure, it would feel good to know everything about the world, but it's an unrealistic goal that might hinder your ambitions. Your main goal should be acquiring as much knowledge about your chosen field as possible. Mastery is the key to success. Read into your particular area of interest and learn more. Ask questions and seek answers. The more specialized you can be, the more you'll succeed. Learning doesn't bring you riches. It simply influences your plan, and therefore your actions. Henry Ford pointed out this idea very clearly. He questioned his general knowledge or lack thereof, wondered why he would bother cluttering his brain when he had other people who could tell him whatever he needed to know. Ford may not have been the most formally educated person globally. Still, he made sure that what he learned was specialized in his niche and made firm decisions based on it. Did you know? The right side of your brain is responsible for creative thoughts. It deals with abstract ideas, imagination, context, and emotions. The left part of your brain, sometimes called the logical one, deals with reasoning, analyzing information, reading, and speaking.